Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use Mint Mobile in Canada. It's very easy. So all you need to do is make sure roaming is turned on, and then let me show you. So if you are a existing Mint subscriber, you actually get a free roaming kick in, and all you need to do is as soon as you go to Canada, as long as you have data roaming enabled in your phone settings, it basically automatically works as soon as you enter Canada. So you don't need to do anything special to activate it ahead of your trip, right? It will actually work on its own automatically. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.